Hi aspirants, I'm Dr. Vaishali Mahajan. I head the marketing department. Marketing as a specialization has been evolving over the years, and at SCMHRD we are really doing well in the marketing. In the marketing domain, we teach you the core courses. We take you through the basics of marketing in the semester 1 itself with the help of a course called Essentials of Marketing Management. In the sem 2, we take you through courses like retail marketing, digital marketing, B2B marketing, which helps you uh, be ready for your summer internship with the companies that you're going to get placed in. In SEM 3 and SEM 4, we take you through various courses like consumer behavior, service marketing, simulations, international marketing, and so on. Now, all these courses at SCMHRD are taught, are basically applied, and they're taught with the help of case studies. We do have lectures, we have case studies, we have industry experts coming in and talking to you and sharing their knowledge. We have simulations. Now, these simulations also help you have a virtual world through which you understand the market and you are really close to the real marketing world on a day-to-day basis. So, SCMHRD, the marketing in today's world, yes, relevant in spite of having COVID. We have been doing good. Our placements have been good. We keep updating our course curriculum based the market. As I said, we have the industry experts coming and speaking to you. When the students go for their summers, we get feedback from the industry experts, basis which we introduce new courses. Now, basis the feedback, we have recently introduced course like marketing analytics, which is very much required in the day-to-day world in today's scenario, and not only the industry experts, also our alumni give feedback, and basis that we do change our course curriculum every year.